Alright, fill the syringe with hydrochloric acid, drawing the plunger back to the tip of the syringe. Position to the ACL.
The ACL one is, yeah, that one. That's the right one.
Which one is the syringe?
And then the syringe is right there in the middle. It's kind of hard to open it with the gloves on. There you go.
Fill the syringe now. Do I put this in here?
Yeah, how much is it saying to do again? How much it wants us to do?
It says, record the initial volume of HCl solution in the syringe to the nearest 0.01 milliliters. So,
How much milliliters did it want us to put in exactly?
which one?
HCl.
I mean, what's the last content? 5 calcium oxide. No. So it says fill the syringe with hydrochloric acid, drawing the plunger back with the tip. The syringe position to the HCl to fill the syringe.
It probably just wants us to put in just any amount. If it doesn't give us a specific amount, because we'll probably only have to. Do we only have to add a certain amount of drops later? Is
It
that what
doesn't
is?
say.
Okay.
Right, so how do I just
think-
put this in there? And
Yeah, I mean, yeah, we could use the flags, you know, there, the little graduated cylinder. That'd be good. Just put some in there and then kind of.
So what is that? This is is this right? Fill the syringe with it.
Yeah. Hold on. Same for the syringe. Is it wanting you to put it directly inside there? I mean, inside the little flat, the little.
Yeah, that's what
bottom?
I don't think that you can't get the.
Then the amount and this. Record the initial volume of the syringe nearest to 0.0 in your data table. What was the initial volume? How much did they want us to actually do? Point. Yeah, that's just the moles of that right there. It's just like the concentration of it. It's
Mhm.
point. What's it want us to do? See, here it didn't tell us how much because we're typing. Fill the syringe with. Thanks. Oh yeah, so it's like add a drop wise to the syringe. So yeah, we can really add just just kind of get it full. So I mean, can you? Is there a way that you can unscrew the top of it and just try to get just some of it, or is it that's just like the whole cap?
Yeah.
There's no. Okay, so there's no way. Yeah, can you put it in there directly, or could you just pour drops into it?
I do.
But they want us to kind of get the air out, so it might be better to do it. Is there a way that you could put the syringe in there actually, and then actually grab some of the HCl that you put in there already?
Wait, wouldn't it fall out? Yeah.
No, it might. So you might need to put a little bit more HCl in, just to grab a bit of it, because they don't want us to have any air in it. Yeah. So. Yeah, just because I mean we should have plenty for the experiment, shouldn't be too much. And then putting the syringe back together, and then just like drawing some at the bottom, and then just making sure there's like no air in it. Yeah, so pushing all the air out, and then
Do we know how much or no?
No, I don't think so because they just want us to add a drops of it until, and because we're trying to see how much is needed to make it get to the end point of the reaction, so we can just have enough to just make sure it actually happens.
Yeah, okay. So just pour the rest of this thing in.
Yeah, just pour some in there, yeah. Just time to get enough so then we can get some of it actually in there. That should be good, yeah. And try it now. Let's see if we can get some of it now. And then just like pulling it back. Do you need me to hold the tube so then you can like pull some of it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Then go ahead and pull it. So bring it closer to you. Got it.
No.
Nothing. Hold on. Is there a way you can hold on? Let me see the bottle real quick. Fast that bottle. Actually, we could pour it just right there. Yeah. Which cap is this for though? We'll just make sure we clean the cap before. Then trying to draw it right there. Yeah. Yeah, good stuff like that. Yeah, that'd be good. Nice. Okay, yeah. That'd work. And then record the initial volume of HCl. A solution in the syringe. Okay, so I need to know now that we got right there. So, that should be enough. Maybe we just need drops of it. Hold on. So
0.4.
0.4. Let me see. Okay, so 0.4 ml. Is that right?
Yeah, milliliters.
Okay. The concentration of HCl is 0.01, right? Moles? Okay. And then this is where we'll start adding it together. And then I think we're supposed to see what the directions say now. Next.
So record the initial volume. Place the flask containing 5 milliliters of calcium CaOH2 on the white sheet of paper.
Okay. I'll grab a sheet of paper.
There should be one right there.
Right underneath. Over here, right here.
You can use,
Yeah.
just print over here.
Sorry. Cool. All right.
Yeah, it starts out lower when you stop it.
Okay, yeah. No, it was just a dismiss for the battery.
Oh, okay.
Very low.
Alright.
So what did you want us to do with a piece of paper again?
So place the flask containing the 5 ml C8 on the white sheet of paper. So it's this one, right?
Yeah.
Place the flask. The white background will change the color to make it more noticeable.
Yeah, so, okay, cool.
Okay, add HCl drop wise to the syringe containing the swirling of the flask until a single drop of HCl contains a color change. Causes a color change that persists for a few seconds.
Now, are we supposed to add the cup there, of stuff there into the flask and then do the...
It doesn't say.
Okay.
Yeah, it just says add this to here.
Okay, yeah. Go ahead and do it
Constantly.
until you get the change of the color. Oh, okay, I see what it is. Okay. See a little bit. Yeah, it's getting like a tad bit yellow. You see that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. You can stop recording.
Okay. But yeah, that should be good.